Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 9. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Cella. At the beginning, go to Settings. Tap on Huawei Assistant, AI Voice, and make sure Cella is enabled. You can set voice makeup or wake with power button. Once it's done, simply say, "Hey Cella, send message to Dad."
No SIM card detected. Check if there's one inside.
And that's the process how to send messages via Cella. Firstly, make sure that you've got your SIM card inserted in the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.